What's good? In this video, we're going to talk about how to not get ghosted by Chinese manufacturers and how to actually secure long-term relationships. If you started a brand or if you're in the game, you probably know the struggle. Everybody wants a premium quality product for the lowest possible price. So you're probably looking overseas for a manufacturer. I'm going to save you months of painful going back and forth with Alibaba manufacturers. And I'm also going to give you a script that you can customize yourself. I'll break it down in this video, but you can download it for free at the link in the description. If you are a small brand and you're talking with a manufacturer on Alibaba, for example, maybe you were impressed with the sample selection of photos they had on their storefront page, or maybe they cited that they've worked with some cool brands that you know, so you trust them enough to order a sample. These manufacturers have seen 1,000 brands, and these brands come and go. They order samples and then they disappear. Most brands don't really get past the sampling phase. Most brands don't ever place their first bulk order. And these Chinese manufacturers have seen it over and over again. So they're looking for partners, not customers. If you're thinking short term, like you're just going to do one small run with them, then you're already dead in the water. Here is what I'm calling the perfect first contact. It's super simple. Feel free to download it and customize it. Don't just copy and paste this into an email and then send it. The subject line reads, Production Partnership Inquiry, your brand. And then the body reads, Dear name of manufacturer, I found your factory through a specific source. This could be Pietra, this could be Alibaba. I'm looking to produce specific items with key material and technique requirements. Quick facts about us. Annual production target. Then give a specific number. Initial order size. Give a specific number. And key requirements. Put 2 to 3 bullet points max here. If you're a small brand that's just getting some cash flow, you are likely looking to do their minimum order quantity on a monthly basis. Their MOQ should be listed on their website. If you have a specific question about their MOQ, for example, if you know their MOQ was 100 pieces, but you'd prefer to start with 50 pieces, you can ask them if it's possible to decrease the MOQ size from 100 to 50 and increase the cost per piece. Some examples of key requirements might be a specific fabric that your brand might use. For example, my brand has a no polyester rule. And then after the quick facts, the email reads, I'm seeking a long-term manufacturing partner. Can we schedule a call to discuss capabilities? Best, your name, your brand, and your website. Okay, so let's break down why this template hits. It shows respect for their time. It's straight to the point. It demonstrates that you're not just window shopping. It gives them actual numbers to work with. And it opens the door for relationship building. But here's what not to do. Do not ask for the pricing first. Do not mention specific Alibaba competitors. Don't approach them if you don't have your tech packs ready. And don't act like you're doing them a favor. If you can avoid those 4 things, you should be good. Chinese manufacturers are looking for players who signal long-term cooperation, demonstrate skin in the game, show an understanding of mutual benefit, and prove that they've done their homework. Drop a comment if you have any manufacturer horror stories or would like me to cover a future topic. Smash the like button if this saved you from an awkward Alibaba interaction. And don't forget to grab the full email template for free in the description.